Guys, welcome to lesson 1 video 3, and here we have a new situation to think about, and you can take some notes on this on page 6, the back of page 5 in your book. Ryan and Jada want to share 5 granola bars equally. The granola bars are each a different flavor: strawberry, blueberry, peanut butter, apple cinnamon, or chocolate chip. If each friend wants to try each of the flavors, how many granola bars does each friend get? Express your answer as a fraction. Okay, so let's think about what we can draw to help us with this problem. Okay, how about something like this? All right, what do you notice about how this student modeled equal sharing? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 granola bars, right? And you see here, who are those circles? Each circle is one of them, right? One is Ryan and one is Jada, so 2 groups. The squares up here are the granola bars. And why is each granola bar split in half? Because they each want to try each of the flavors, right? So we think about, let's just imagine that this is our chocolate chip granola bar, right? One of them is getting one of each, right? Okay, you see that? All right, so we can show our thinking in different ways when we model equal sharing. Today we practice modeling with sticky notes, drawing models using colors, drawing models without colors. As long as we represent the situation accurately, we can do the drawing differently, right? You can do it in many different ways. Okay, so let's go back to the patterns that we noticed about each of our equations today. Remember what you wrote on your Post-it note. What connection do you notice between the division expression and each quotient? Okay, and let's think about this one. We had 5 divided by 2, right? 5 granola bars divided by 2 people, and each of them got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 halves. Okay, so we know the expression is 5 divided by 2, and that means the quotient is going to be 5 halves. We notice a pattern across each of our equations. Sometimes we notice a pattern that can help us make a conclusion. A conclusion is a statement that we understand to be true based on our observations, right? Let's consider what we can conclude or decide about the relationship between division and fractions. All right? Let me just see if we have... Oh, that's just getting into our next thing. Yes. Okay. So what can you conclude about the relationship between the division and the fractions? Did you make a conclusion? Let me show you something here. If I can pull it up really quick. There. Okay. Let's look at this. Okay. Here's 1 divided by 4, 1/4, 1/2 equals 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 5 equals 1/5, 6/5 equals 6 divided by 5, 5 divided by 2 equals 5 halves. A fraction can be represented by the division equation. Did you notice that? That's a really big aha from this lesson, that 1 divided by 4 is always going to be 1/4. Okay, and that this line is a division problem. So a fraction is a division problem. 1 divided by 2, 1/2. 1 divided by 5, 1/5. Yeah, I know. Isn't that pretty cool? Okay, so thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in lesson 2. Mahalo.